Hey everyone, it's Josh on Blockchain DXB and welcome to today's episode, guys, where we delve into the cutting-edge world of blockchain oracles. Now in today's episode, we are going to be exploring everything from the foundational concepts to the future innovations shaping the crucial technology. We'll start by demystifying blockchain oracles, guys, what they are, why they are essential, and how they bridge the gap between decentralized application and the real world. We'll explore the various types of oracles, including software, hardware, and consensus-based oracles. Now each of them play a unique role in enhancing blockchain functionality, so we'll definitely go ahead and explore that, and we will also take a deep dive into the pivotal role of oracles in decentralized finance or DeFi, discover how oracles power price feeds, asset valuation, and automated trading on decentralized exchanges. We'll explore the application in lending platforms, insurance, and even in creating synthetic assets, and we'll highlight the critical contribution to the evolving DeFi landscape. And guys, in this particular episode, we will uncover the latest trends and innovation in Oracle technology, from enhanced security measures and cross-chain interoperability to the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now these advancements, guys, are set to redefine how blockchain applications interact with real-world data, isn't it? So we'll cover quite a lot of things, guys, in today's episode. So join us, guys, in today's episode where we navigate through the complexities and possibilities of blockchain oracles, uncovering the transformative impact across different industries and their role in shaping the decentralized future. Now before we go ahead and kickstart this episode, guys, I do have an important message, so check this out. Thank you to our sponsors for being part of the Blockchain DXB journey. Firstly, Advanced Media. Advanced Media, guys, is the largest distributor of professional video, photo, broadcast and cinematic equipment and accessories in the Middle East and MENA region. With over 2 decades of experience, Advanced Media is now the largest distributor in the Middle East, representing more than 100 recognizable brands, including brands such as Zeiss, DJI, Hasselblad, Red, and Rode. As a matter of fact, guys, the very mic that I'm recording is being sponsored by Advanced Media as well, and Advanced Media has showrooms in Saudi Arabia and services as well. Looks like they're definitely taking the Middle East by storm. And here's the beautiful thing, guys, they're taking corporate social responsibility very seriously, and they're focusing on 3 P's. That is people, planet, and prosperity. Now listen, guys, if you do want to find out more information regarding the statement of corporate social responsibility, check out the website, that is www.amt.tv. And here's the beautiful thing, guys, they also want to be a leader and set an example and reputation as a pioneer and member of the community. And in doing so, guys, they also have an AMT scholarship with SAE Institute in Dubai, UAE. So definitely check it out. And also, guys, Advanced Media is committed to persistently developing, organizing, and hosting training workshops, seminars, and community events that educate, inform, and familiarize consumers with new equipment and the latest technological advances. So listen, guys, do one thing. If you do want to support this channel, go to the website, that is www.amt.tv, and follow the social media channels as well. All of the details are in the show notes below. Next, Startup OI is global one-tech platform for tech. It offers global high-paying tech jobs with flexibility in working time and location, global free tech events, and tech networks to connect with global like-minded engineers. A brilliant platform to listen to the tech experts in metaverse and to grab their insights. Now listen, all you have to do is download the app Startup OI. If you're using an Android version, go to Google Store and App Store for iOS devices. Alternatively, you can also click on the show notes below to download Startup OI. Next, guys, listen, if you're into fitness, if you're into adventure, if you want to do something wild but still want to keep your health in check, there is a new podcast in town, a podcast focusing on obstacle course race in the Middle East. The podcast is called the Race Podcast. So check out the Race Podcast across all leading platforms. And the Race Podcast is a peer-to-peer community-driven podcast where they talk all about obstacle course race in the Middle East, from Sandstorm to Spartan Race, from Tough Mudder to Desert Warrior Challenge, and also the Government Gov Games, and quite a lot more. The podcast has interviews with athletes locally and internationally to get inside scoop on how athletes prepare for obstacle course race. In the podcast, they also talk about interesting stories on why they are motivated to do obstacle course race. And that's not all. They also plan to release 7 NFTs. And these NFTs are no ordinary. These NFTs will represent every emirate in the UAE. And listen, guys, these NFTs are going to be absolutely massive. So do one thing. Go to Spotify, go to iTunes, go to any leading podcasting platform and search for Rise in the Obstacle Course Race podcast. And finally, guys, not your keys, not your crypto. If you have dabbled with cryptocurrencies and now are seriously getting to protect your cryptocurrencies, there is no better way to protect it by using a hardware wallet. And this is where Ledger Wallet kicks in. And Ledger Wallets are hardware cryptocurrency wallets made by Ledger, a company headquartered in Paris, France. And Ledger's hardware wallets are multi-currency wallets that are used to store private keys for cryptocurrencies offline. And Ledger offers two hardware wallets, the Ledger Nano and Ledger Nano X wallets. They are world-class experts with extensive crypto security backgrounds. They continuously look for vulnerabilities in Ledger products in a constant effort to improve the level of security. Now, in today's world, securing these digital assets is a critical challenge, and this is where Ledger kicks in. So click the link below to buy your hardware wallet and support this podcast. It is a brilliant way to support this podcast. So what are you waiting for? The link is in the show notes below. Now guys, since you've taken care of that, let's take a deep dive into oracles. In today's episode, guys, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and define blockchain oracle and the purpose of blockchain oracles. We'll take a deep dive into the types of oracles. We'll go ahead and discuss the role of oracles in smart contracts. I'll go ahead and discuss the key difference between centralized versus decentralized oracles. We'll go ahead and take a deep dive into popular decentralized oracle networks like Chainlinks and even band protocol, and we'll also touch base on security considerations so far as decentralized oracles is concerned. We will take a deep dive into the use cases and applications of oracles in decentralized finance. We'll also go ahead and look at real-world examples, and we'll also go ahead and discuss the challenges and solutions of oracles in decentralized finance. I'll go ahead and discuss the future trends and innovations in oracle technology, and I'll also go ahead and share how oracles can actually integrate with artificial intelligence. And also in the near future, guys, there will be upcoming emerging technologies, isn't it? Now what I want to do next, guys, is I want to go ahead and explain what blockchain oracles are, because understanding oracles is extremely crucial so far as cryptocurrency and blockchain is concerned, isn't it? Now oracles, guys, they are entities or services that provide external data to blockchains, and they enable smart contracts to execute based on real-world events, and they bridge the gap between off-chain data and on-chain smart contracts, thereby ensuring that blockchain applications can interact with data that exists outside the blockchain ecosystem. So the big question, guys, is why are oracles essential? Now look, guys, smart contracts, they operate in a deterministic environment, isn't it? Meaning they can only use the data available within the blockchain. Now oracles, guys, they expand the functionality of smart contracts, and they do this by providing access to external data, making them crucial for applications that require world inputs to function effectively. Now without oracles, guys, the scope of blockchain applications would be significantly limited. So let me go ahead and touch base on different types of oracles, guys, because we have software oracles, we have hardware oracles, we have inbound oracles, we also have outbound oracles, and guys, we also have consensus-based oracles. Now so far software oracles is concerned, guys, these oracles handle data from online sources such as APIs, web pages, and databases. Now they are widely used in applications that require internet-based information. For example, guys, a software oracle might pull the latest exchange rates for a currency conversion smart contract. Now so far as hardware oracles is concerned, hardware oracles interact with physical devices to gather data, and these oracles are vital in use cases where real-world data needs to be fed into the blockchain, such as in supply chain management, where IoT devices can track the location and condition of goods. Now so far as inbound oracles is concerned, guys, inbound oracles deliver external data to the blockchain. For instance, they can provide weather data for agricultural smart contract that pay out specific weather conditions. Now so far as outbound oracles is concerned, outbound oracles send data from blockchains to external systems. This type of oracles, guys, can be used to trigger events in real-world based on blockchain activities, such as unlocking a digital lock when a payment is made. Now I see quite a lot of these use cases, guys, let's say in the metaverse, where there are a lot of influencers who are going ahead and trying to achieve a couple of targets, let's say for promotional campaigns, or let's say to go ahead and achieve a couple of targets on behalf of the advertisers. Now so far as consensus-based oracles is concerned, consensus-based oracles aggregate data from multiple sources and use consensus mechanism to verify the accuracy of the data, and this approach, guys, helps mitigate the risk of relying on a single data source and enhances the reliability and trustworthiness of the information provided. Now the big question, guys, is what is the role of oracles in smart contracts? So let me go ahead and touch base on data-driven decision making, automation and efficiency, real-world integration, and then we'll also go ahead and look at few examples. Now, so far as data-driven decision-making is concerned, oracles enable smart contracts to go ahead and make decisions based on real times. For example, guys, an insurance contract could automatically compensate farmers if a drought is detected by weather oracles. Now, so far as automation and efficiency is concerned, oracles do actually streamline processes, and they do that by automating data retrieval and contract execution. Now, this, guys, will actually reduce the need for manual intervention, thereby lowering operational cost and also minimizing the risk of human errors. Now, so far as real-world integration is concerned, by providing a link between blockchain and external data sources, oracles facilitate integration of blockchain technology with various real-world applications, and this includes areas such as finance, healthcare, logistics, and quite a lot of others as well. Now, when you talk about oracles in action, guys, we definitely know about Chainlink, isn't it? And there are rumors, guys, that the founder of Chainlink, that is Sergey Nazarov, could be Satoshi Nakamoto, because if you actually go to the domain name smartcontracts.com, it does take you to chainlabs.com. Now, here's the interesting bit, guys, regarding smartcontracts.com. This was actually registered by Sergey Nazarov 2 years before Satoshi Nakamoto launched the Bitcoin white paper, and that is the only reason why they are saying that he could potentially be Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, regarding Chainlink, guys, it is a decentralized oracle network, isn't it? And it provides secure and reliable data feeds to smart contracts, and it uses a network of independent node operators to fetch, validate, and deliver data, ensuring the accuracy and availability of the information. Now, so far as BAN protocol is concerned, it is essentially a cross-chain data oracle platform that aggregates and connects real-world data to smart contracts. It focuses on scalability and cross-chain compatibility, making it suitable for a wide range of blockchain applications. Now, so far as Stellar is concerned, it is a decentralized oracle platform where data providers, that is miners, compete to add data points to Stellar network, and the protocol, guys, uses token-based incentive program to ensure data accuracy and reliability. Now, look, guys, all this thing being said, there are definitely challenges and consideration, isn't it? And oracles are potential points of vulnerabilities in blockchain system, and if an oracle is compromised, it can feed false data to smart contracts, leading to incorrect outcomes. Hence, guys, ensuring the security of oracles through robust protocols and decentralization is extremely essential, isn't it? Now, look, guys, there are centralized oracles as well, but relying on centralized oracle introduces trust issues as they depend on a single source of truth. But so far as decentralization is concerned, decentralized oracles mitigates this by using multiple data sources and achieving consensus, thereby reducing the risk of manipulation and enhancing trust. And guys, the timely and accurate delivery of data is crucial for proper functioning of smart contracts, because delays in accuracies can lead to unintended consequences. So optimizing the performance of oracles is extremely important to ensure low latency and high accuracy, and that at this point of time, unfortunately, is still a key challenge. So look, guys, so far as blockchain oracles are concerned, they're definitely indispensable for enabling smart contracts to interact with real world, isn't it? And by understanding the various aspects of oracles, their roles, challenges, and the integration of emerging technologies, we can appreciate the critical importance in the blockchain ecosystem. And look, guys, as the technology evolves, innovation in oracle design and implementation will continue to expand the possibilities of decentralized applications as well. So let me know, guys, what are your thoughts regarding this. Now, there's some fun fact, guys. So far as memes are concerned, what I'd really recommend you to do is follow Chainlink's Facebook group. They have, if not one of the best memes on the planet. Now, what I want to do next, guys, is I want to go ahead and explore decentralized oracles and their importance. So let's do one thing, guys. Let's take a deep dive into the difference between centralized versus decentralized oracles. Now, so far centralized oracles is concerned, they rely on a single entity or limited number of entities to provide data to blockchain, isn't it? Now, this centralization, guys, definitely introduces several vulnerabilities. They have single point of failure, data can be easily manipulated, and also we need to depend on trust, isn't it? Now, so far single point of failure is concerned, if a centralized oracle fails or is compromised, it can easily disrupt the entire blockchain application that is relying on its data. Now, so far as data manipulation is concerned, guys, it is basic to understand that since centralized oracles rely on a single source, there is a higher risk of data manipulation or inaccuracies, either unintentional or malicious, isn't it? And what about dependency of trust, guys? Users must trust a centralized oracle provider to deliver accurate and timely data, isn't it? And they need to do it without any bias or manipulation. Then look, guys, so far centralized entity is concerned, these are definitely some of the dangers. Now let me go ahead and explain what role does decentralized oracle play. Now, decentralized oracles, guys, They address the limitation of centralized oracles by leveraging a network of independent nodes and also consensus mechanism. And distributed or decentralized oracles, they aggregate data from multiple independent sources, and this redundancy, guys, reduces the risk of relying on a single source and enhances data reliability. And nodes in decentralized oracle networks reach consensus in the accuracy of data before it is accepted, and this, guys, ensures that data provided to smart contract is verified by multiple sources, thereby mitigating the risk of manipulation. And, guys, by distributing data retrieval and verification across multiple nodes, decentralized oracles reduce the impact of individual node failures or attacks, thereby enhancing the overall security and resilience of the system. Now look, guys, so far as decentralized oracles is concerned, they have quite a lot of advantages, isn't it? So things like enhanced security, increased reliability, trustlessness, these are some of the advantages. So let me go ahead and very briefly touch base on these points, because when you talk about enhanced security, guys, decentralized or distributed oracle distribute trust and reduce the risk of malicious attacks or even data manipulation. And each node, guys, operates independently, and data must pass through consensus mechanism, making it extremely difficult for any single node to compromise the entire network. So far as increased reliability is concerned, guys, by aggregating data from multiple independent sources, decentralized oracles provide more reliable data, and consensus mechanism ensures that only accurate data is accepted, even if some nodes provide anonymous information. Now, so far as trustlessness is concerned, guys, decentralized oracles operate in a trustless environment, meaning that users do not need to trust a single entity. Instead, they rely on cryptographic proofs and consensus algorithms to go out and verify data integrity and accuracy. Now we know about popular decentralized oracles, isn't it? That is Chainlink, Band Protocol, and even Teller. Now Chainlink, guys, is definitely a leading decentralized oracle network that uses a network of independent nodes or oracles to fetch, verify, and deliver data to smart contracts, and it ensures data reliability through a reputational system and incentivizes for honest behavior. Now, so far as Band Protocol is concerned, guys, it focuses on cross-chain compatibility and scalability, allowing developers to create custom oracles tailored to specific blockchain application. It uses something different called as DPoS, that is Delegated Proof of Stake Consensus for data validation. And so far as Teller is concerned, guys, it utilizes proof of work mechanism where miners compete to provide data to the oracle network, and it emphasizes data accuracy and reliability through a staking mechanism and economic incentives. Now look, so far as decentralization is concerned, we also need to be aware of security consideration. So let me go ahead and touch base on some points regarding security consideration, because decentralized oracle network, guys, they employ several strategies to mitigate manipulation, including multi-source data aggregation, consensus mechanism, and also cryptographic proofs, isn't it? And so far as multi-source data aggregation is concerned, this is where aggregating data from multi-independent sources reduces the risk of relying on a single point of failure. Now, so far as consensus mechanism is concerned, nodes must agree on the validity of the data before it is accepted, thereby preventing any single node from manipulating data without detection. And finally, guys, regarding cryptographic proof, using cryptographic techniques such as digital signature ensures that data has not been tampered with during the transmission. Now, so far as ensuring data integrity is concerned, guys, cryptographic proofs and consensus mechanism are extremely essential for maintaining data integrity in decentralized oracle networks, and these mechanisms, guys, verify the authenticity and accuracy of data before it is being utilized by smart contracts. Now look, preventing single point of failure is one of the most important things so far as decentralized oracle is concerned, isn't it? And by distributing data retrieval and validating across multiple nodes, guys, decentralized oracle networks eliminate single point of failure, and this decentralization improves reliability and resilience against attacks or node failures. Now let me go ahead and touch base on some use cases and applications where decentralized oracle fits in. And the first one is decentralized finance or DeFi. The second one is insurance. The third one is gaming and NFTs, isn't it? And so far as decentralized finance is concerned, guys, DeFi platforms rely on decentralized oracles for accurate and reliable price feeds, collateral valuation, and also automated trading. For example, guys, lending protocols like Aave use decentralized oracles to determine interest rates based on real-time market data. So definitely a brilliant use case. Now, so far as insurance is concerned, decentralized or distributed oracles enable parametric insurance contracts that automatically trigger payouts based on predefined conditions. For instance, guys, weather oracles can validate claims for crop insurance based on local weather conditions that are reported to blockchain. Now, so far as gaming and NFTs is concerned, guys, In blockchain-based gaming and NFT token-based marketplaces, decentralized oracles can ensure fairness and transparency, and oracles can provide randomness for gaming outcomes, and it can help in verifying the authenticity of NFTs, thereby preventing fraud and ensuring a trustworthy ecosystem. Now look, as these are some of the use cases. I'm pretty much sure as and when time evolves, there might be so many different use cases, isn't it? Now there are also future trends and innovation that we need to be aware about, and some of them include AI-enhanced oracles, cross-chain compatibility, layer 2 solutions, decentralized data marketplaces as well. So let me do one thing, guys. Let me very briefly touch base on these, because when you talk about integrating artificial intelligence with decentralized oracles, these can definitely enhance data accuracy, anomaly detection, and also predictive analytics. And AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets to provide more reliable and timely information to smart contracts, improving decision-making capabilities. Now, so far as cross-chain compatibility is concerned, as blockchain interoperability becomes more critical, decentralized oracles that can operate across multiple blockchains will gain prominence. Now, cross-chain oracles facilitate data exchange and interoperability between different blockchain ecosystems, supporting complex decentralized applications. Now, so far as layer 2 solution is concerned, layer 2 scaling solutions aim to improve the efficiency and cost effectiveness of decentralized oracles by processing data off-chain and settling transactions on the main blockchain. Now these solutions, guys, enhance scalability and reduce congestions, thereby enabling faster data delivery and lower transaction costs. Now so far as decentralized data marketplaces is concerned, emerging decentralized data marketplaces allows users to buy and sell data directly on blockchain networks, leveraging decentralized oracles to ensure data accuracy and reliability. And these marketplaces, guys, promote data transparency and empower data providers and consumers to transact securely. So look, so far as decentralized oracles is concerned, they're definitely brilliant use cases, but there are quite a lot of challenges as well, isn't it? So look, guys, according to me, decentralized oracles definitely play a cryptial role in enhancing the security, reliability, and trustlessness of blockchain applications, and by leveraging decentralized networks, consensus mechanism, and cryptographic techniques, these oracles enable smart contracts to interact seamlessly with real-world data, while at the same time mitigating risk associated with centralized solutions. And as blockchain technology continues to evolve, guys, decentralized or distributed oracles will drive innovation across various industries, enabling new cases and applications that benefit secure and transparent data delivery. So let me know, guys, what are your thoughts regarding this, and if you do have any points to add regarding decentralized oracles and the importance, drop me an email to info@blockchaindxb.com. Now what I want to do next, guys, is I want to go ahead and touch base on use case and applications of oracles in decentralized finance. Now look, guys, so far as decentralized finance or DeFi is concerned, they definitely represent the paradigm shift in the financial industry, isn't it? And they aim to create open, permissionless, trustless financial services using blockchain technologies. Now oracles, guys, they play a vital role in decentralized finance, and they do that by bridging the gap between blockchain-based smart contracts and real-world data and events. Now this integration, guys, enables DeFi platforms to operate autonomously and execute complex financial transactions securely and transparently. Now oracles, guys, can definitely be a massive role so far as price feeds and asset valuation is concerned. So far as price feeds is concerned, guys, oracles provide crucial real-time price feeds from external sources, including cryptocurrency exchanges, traditional financial markets, and decentralized data providers. Now these price feeds, guys, are essential for DeFi platforms to accurately determine the value of assets, thereby enabling and calculating exchange rates and execute trades on decentralized exchanges or DEXs. Now so far as asset valuation is concerned, DeFi protocols rely on oracles to assess the value of assets used as collateral for loans, liquidity provisions, and other financial instruments, isn't it? An accurate asset valuation, guys, ensures that loans are adequately collateralized, reducing the risk of default and enhancing the stability of the DeFi ecosystem. Now so far as decentralized exchange is concerned, guys, let me go ahead and touch base on AMMs, that is automated market makers, and liquidity provision. Now so far as automated market makers or AMM is concerned, automated market makers and decentralized exchanges use oracles to obtain real-time price data for setting exchange rates and effectively managing liquidity pools, and oracles continuously provide price updates, allowing automated market makers to facilitate seamless token swaps and liquidity provisioning without relying on centralized authority. Now so far as liquidity provision is concerned, liquidity providers leverage oracles to monitor market prices and adjust their positions with liquidity pools, and oracles ensure that liquidity provision remains balanced and efficient, optimizing trading opportunities. and minimizing slippage for users on decentralized exchange platforms. Now, so far as derivatives and synthetic assets is concerned, guys, Oracle's enable DeFi platforms to offer derivative tradings such as options, futures, and swaps are providing accurate and timely data on the underlying asset prices and market conditions. And smart contracts, guys, they use Oracle data to automatically settle derivative contracts, thereby ensuring transparency and reducing counterparty risks. Now, so far synthetic assets is concerned, DeFi protocols utilizes Oracles to secure synthetic assets that mirror the value of real-world assets, commodities, or even indices, and Oracle's guys play a crucial role in passing and maintaining the peg of synthetic assets to the underlying counterparts, thereby expanding access to diverse financial instruments within the DeFi or decentralized finance ecosystem. Now, what role does Oracle play so far as lending and borrowing platforms is concerned? I'd like to touch base on interest rates and also liquidation and collateralization. Now, so far as interest rates is concerned, Oracle supply interest rate data from decentralized money markets, thereby enabling lending platforms to dynamically adjust borrowing and lending rates based on market demands and supply conditions. And this data-driven approach, guys, ensures competitiveness and transparent interest rates, fosters liquidity and participation in lending protocols. Now, so far as liquidity and collateralization is concerned, DeFi platforms employ oracles to monitor the value of collateral assets pledged by borrowers, and in the event of price fluctuation or market volatility, oracles trigger automated liquidation processes to protect lenders from potential defaults and maintain the stability of lending protocols. Now let me go ahead and touch base, guys, what role oracles can actually play so far as insurance and risk management is concerned, and I can touch base on two things, guys, that is parametric insurance and risk assessment. Now, so far as parametric insurance is concerned, oracles facilitate parametric insurance contracts by providing real-time data on specific events or conditions, such as weather patterns or flight delays. Now, smart contracts, guys, use Oracle data to automatically trigger insurance payouts without the need for manual claims processing, thereby enhancing efficiency and transparency in the insurance services. Now, so far as risk assessment is concerned, DeFi protocols leverage oracles for real-time assessment and management, incorporating external data such as asset volatility, market liquidity, and economic indicators, and oracles, guys, enable DeFi platforms to implement robust risk management strategies, thereby ensuring the security and sustainability of financial operations. So let me know, guys, what are your thoughts regarding Oracle so far as different use cases concerned. Now what I want to do is, guys, I want to go ahead and discuss future trends and innovations so far as Oracle is concerned. Now look, guys, continuous advancements in Oracle security, including multi-source data aggregation, cryptographic proofs, and decentralized validation mechanism will bolster the reliability and trustworthiness of Oracle solutions in DeFi, and strengthening Oracle security protocols, guys, is extremely crucial for mitigating risks that are associated with data manipulation and ensuring the integrity of financial transactions. And guys, as the DeFi ecosystem expands across multiple blockchain networks, the demand for cross-chain oracles will rise. Now, cross-chain oracles facilitate interoperability and data exchange between different blockchain platforms, thereby enabling seamless asset transfers, liquidity provision, and financial services across decentralized networks. Now, so far as real-world asset integration is concerned, guys, I do feel that future developments may focus on integrating oracles with real-world assets, such as, let's say, stocks, commodities, and real estate. Now look, guys, one trend which I'm observing is the buzzword regarding tokenization. Now the only reason why people are talking about tokenization is, guys, is because Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, in one of the interviews with CNBC did actually state that he does not care so much about the approval of spot Bitcoin ETF, but he's definitely really excited about tokenization. Now the interview, guys, is just 6 minutes long, and that just shows the power of Larry Fink and BlackRock. Everyone, guys, in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space is harping about tokenization, so it's going to be really interesting to see the role of distributed or decentralized oracles and how it impacts tokenization. Now, oracles, guys, will enable DeFi platforms to offer diversified financial products and also investment opportunities that bridge traditional and digital finances, thereby expanding the utility and adoption of decentralized finance globally. So look, guys, oracles are fundamental to the growth of functionality of decentralized finances, they empower smart contracts to securely interact with real-world data and external events, from price feeds and asset valuation to derivative tradings, lending protocols, and insurance services. Oracles facilitate a wide range of innovative financial applications within the blockchain ecosystem. And as DeFi continues to evolve, guys, advancements in Oracle technology will drive new use cases, thereby enhancing operational efficiency and foster more inclusive and accessible financial system for users worldwide. And look guys, I do feel the integration of reliable and secure Oracle solutions is critical for realizing the full potential of decentralized finance and transforming traditional financial services into decentralized, transparent, and community-driven platforms. So let me know guys, what are your thoughts regarding the different use cases and applications of oracles and decentralized finance. If you do have any points to add, drop me an email to info@blockchaindxb.com. Now what I want to do next guys is, I want to go ahead and explore the future trends and innovation of Oracle technology. So look guys, when we talk about oracles, I would like to touch base on enhanced Oracle security, cross-chain and multi-chain oracles, integration with artificial intelligence and machine learning, because look guys, artificial intelligence has brilliant and different use cases, isn't it? And what I want to do later on guys is, I also want to go ahead and touch base on scalability and layer 2 solutions and how they actually merge with oracles. And finally, we'll go ahead and touch base on decentralized data marketplaces and what role does Oracle play in that. So let me know guys, what are your thoughts regarding this. Now so far as enhanced Oracle security is concerned guys, future Oracle solutions will integrate multiple dependent data sources, and they will do that to enhance data accuracy and reliability. And by aggregating data from diverse and decentralized sources, Oracle networks can mitigate the risk associated with relying on single points of failure, or let's say if a node is compromised. Now this approach guys ensures that smart contracts receive verified and consensus driven data, thereby reducing the likelihood of inaccuracies or manipulation. Now what role can cryptography play in this guys? There are protocols such as cryptographic proofs and zero knowledge proofs, and advanced cryptographic techniques including zero knowledge proofs will play a crucial role in enhancing data integrity and privacy in Oracle networks. Now zero knowledge proof guys will allow verifiable computations and validations without revealing underlying data, thereby enhancing trust and confidentiality, isn't it? For example guys, zero knowledge proof can be used to prove the correctness of data without actually disclosing sensitive details such as let's say personal information, trade secrets, thereby protecting privacy while at the same time ensuring data validity as well. Now so far as decentralized validation mechanism is concerned guys, innovation in consensus algorithms and validation mechanisms will improve the resilience of Oracle networks against malicious attacks and data manipulation, and decentralized validation protocols ensure that data provided to smart contracts is verified by a consensus of nodes, thereby reducing the likelihood of fraudulent or inaccurate information. Now this approach guys will enhance the overall security and reliability of Oracle networks, making them less susceptible to manipulation or compromises. Now let me go ahead and touch base on cross-chain and multi-chain oracles guys, because look, we definitely need to have interoperability solutions, isn't it? And with the proliferation of blockchain networks and protocol, there is a growing need for cross-chain and multi-chain oracle solutions. Now these oracles guys will facilitate seamless data exchange and interoperability between different blockchain ecosystems, thereby enabling assets and information to flow across decentralized networks effortlessly. Now cross-chain oracles will allow smart contracts on one blockchain to securely interact with data and assets from another blockchain, thereby unlocking new possibilities for decentralized apps or dApps and decentralized finances as well. Now so far as Oracle networks is concerned, they will also support multiple blockchain as well, isn't it? Now future Oracle networks guys will be designed to support multi-blockchain platforms, allowing smart contracts to access and utilize data from various sources regardless of the underlying blockchain technology. And this interoperability guys will enable DeFi applications to expand their reach and even the functionality across global markets, leveraging data and assets on different blockchain ecosystem without any geographical or technological barriers. So let me know guys, what are your thoughts regarding cross-chain and multi-chain oracles. Now look guys, I want to go ahead and touch base on artificial intelligence, because ever since ChatGPT got introduced in November of 2022, everyone is talking about artificial intelligence, isn't it? So I want to go ahead and touch base on the integration with artificial intelligence and machine learning and how it will impact the future of oracles. Now so far as AI enhanced data analysis is concerned, integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms with Oracle technology will definitely enable advancement analysis and also predictive modeling within blockchain applications. And AI-powered oracles guys can analyze large data sets, isn't it? They will also be in a position to detect patterns and provide real-time insights that enhances decision-making processes in decentralized finance, even supply chain management, healthcare, and definitely other industries as well. And look guys, by leveraging artificial intelligence, Oracle networks can optimize data processing, improve accuracy in data interpretation, and also automate complex tasks such as anomaly detection or predictive analytics. And so far as anomaly detection and risk assessment is concerned guys, AI algorithms integrated with Oracle networks can enhance anomaly detection and risk assessment capabilities, and by analyzing historical data and real-time inputs, AI-enabled oracles can identify irregularities, potential security threats, or market fluctuations that may impact decentralized applications. And this proactive approach to risk management, guys, improves the resilience of blockchain-based systems, isn't it? Thereby enabling faster response times to emerging threats and minimizing potential disruptions. So I do feel, guys, that artificial intelligence and machine learnings could be an absolutely game changer so far as oracles is concerned. Now let me go ahead and touch base on scalability and layer 2 solutions. And in order to address scalability challenges, guys, Oracle networks will adapt to layer 2 scaling solutions that processes data off-chain and settle transactions on the main blockchain, but they will do it only when it is necessary. And layer 2 solutions, guys, will improve the efficiency of Oracle data delivery, reduce congestions on the main blockchain, and it will also help in lowering transaction costs for users as well. And by offloading computational tasks to secondary layers or side chains, Oracle networks can scale more effectively while managing high throughput and responsiveness. Now, so far as off-chain data processing is concerned, future Oracle architectures may prioritize off-chain data processing and aggregation, and they will do that by utilizing secure off-chain computational networks or sidechains. And off-chain processing enhances scalability, and it does that by minimizing computational burden on the main blockchain while ensuring timely and reliable data delivery to smart contracts. Now, this approach, guys, also improves the overall efficiency of Oracle networks, enabling faster data updates and reducing latency in transaction processing. Now let me go ahead and touch base on decentralized data marketplaces, guys, because decentralized data marketplaces will empower individuals and organizations to monetize and exchange data directly on blockchain platform. Now look, as we all know what happened to Blur Marketplace and what kind of an impact it had on OpenSea, isn't it? It has completely destroyed OpenSea, isn't it? To a point that OpenSea also decided to go ahead and sell the entire company. Now so far as Oracle and data marketplaces is concerned, Oracle technology will underpin these marketplaces by verifying data quality, authenticity, and compliance with predefined standards, fostering a transparent and efficient data economy, and by facilitating secure data transactions to smart contracts. Oracle networks enable new business models and applications such as data analytics, IoT data monetization, and even personalized services based on user data, in my opinion. Now let me go ahead and talk about smart contracts for data exchange, guys, because smart contracts integrated with Oracle networks will automate data exchange agreements, thereby ensuring secure and verified transaction data between data providers and consumers. And decentralized data marketplaces will enable seamless integration of external data into blockchain applications, thereby enhancing the accuracy and relevance of decision-making process. And by leveraging decentralized data sources, guys, organizations can access valuable insights and information while at the same time maintaining data privacy and security. So look, guys, the future for Oracle technology definitely holds immense potential for revolutionizing decentralized applications or dApps and even decentralized finance, and they can do that across various diverse industries, isn't it? And enhance security measures, cross-chain interoperability, integrating with artificial intelligence and machine learning, scalability solutions, and decentralized data marketplaces are key trends shaping the evolution of Oracle networks. And what I think, guys, is as blockchain ecosystems mature and expand, Oracle technology will play a pivotal role in enabling trustless, transparent, and efficient data interaction within the global market. And by embracing these innovations, guys, developers, enterprises, and users can harness the full potential of blockchain technology to create a more connected and inclusive digital economy. And Oracle networks, guys, will continue to evolve, offering robust solutions that enhances data reliability, streamline operations, and drive innovation in decentralized application worldwide, isn't it? So let me know, guys, what are your thoughts regarding the future trends and innovation in Oracle technology. Look, guys, so far as Oracle is concerned, it is definitely a game changer in the cryptocurrency blockchain, maybe even in the artificial intelligence space, to be honest. So that's about all, guys, regarding oracles. And in this episode, we've explored the pivotal role of blockchain oracles in bridging the gap between decentralized applications and real-world data, from understanding the foundational concept of oracles to their diverse application in decentralized finance and beyond. We've seen how these technologies are shaping the future of blockchain ecosystem, isn't it? We've discussed the importance of decentralized oracles in enhancing security, reliability, and trustlessness within the blockchain application. We've highlighted the role of oracles in enabling smart contracts to autonomously interact with external data sources, driving innovation across different industries such as finance, insurance, gaming, and quite a lot more, isn't it? And guys, looking ahead, we've explored emerging trends like enhanced security protocols, cross-chain interoperability, and the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning with Oracle technologies. Now look, guys, these advancements that we discussed are set to unlock new possibilities for decentralized applications, improving scalability, efficiency, and reliability of data-driven decision-making processes in it. So let me know, guys, what are your thoughts regarding this, and if you do have any feedback or suggestion, mention them in the comments below. And thank you for tuning into the Blockchain DXB podcast, where we explore the frontier of blockchain, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, DeFi, and metaverse. So thanks so much for listening, guys, and have a nice one. Bye-bye.